Hey everybody, this is Don over at Johnny's Used Cars. Voted the best place to buy a car in Okinawa by the military community of Okinawa for 2 consecutive years. That's right, we won back in 2023, kept the title here last year for the repeat in 2024, and naturally going after the three-peat here in 2025. Results will be out in a few months. For now, I'm going to show this 2008 Suzuki Splash that just came in. It's got 94,000 kilometers on it, which is about 58,000 miles. Before I get started, I'd like to let you know that we do have on-the-lot discounts. So the price you're seeing on the website right now will not be the final price when you come on the lot. Also, if you're arriving to Okinawa soon or you just arrived, please make sure you stop by Johnny's Used Cars as soon as you can and have a look around. Even before you get yourself a driver's license, there are benefits of doing it that way. So with that, let's have a look around. I'll show the features inside. But first, I'd like to ask you to please watch the video until the end. I do go over a lot of information in my videos and answer a lot of your questions. Things like the JCI, the warranty, the road tax. I cover all that and more, so please bear with me till the end. You have all the answers. If not, please contact me or stop on by. The Suzuki Splash is a 5-passenger vehicle in the 500 series category, so the mid-size category. Road tax per year is going to be 7,500 yen, which is about $50 right now with the current exchange rate. Road tax is due every April-May time frame. So we're going to take care of the remainder of the 2024 road tax for you. Then it is on you the next month or in May to take care of the 2025. Now, I do have 2 ways to pay for this. First one being US dollars cash outright, which could get you a larger discount, or take advantage of 0% financing for 24 months. Now, we do have a down payment requirement of at least $300. That's it, $300. But if you want to do more than that to reduce your overall monthly payments, you can. A lot of our customers do like $500 to $1,000. Some do half, some do more, up to you. Before we go inside, I always like showing you the rain guards. Rain guards will allow you to roll your windows down a little bit this way. If it rains, it's not going to get wet inside. More important feature benefit is it's going to give you that cross ventilation, get that extremely hot air out. And always get yourself a good windshield visor. You got to keep that dash as cool as possible in this heat. So in addition to that, you may consider buying a dash cover. Or if you want to keep it simple, get yourself a nice sized bath towel or beach towel and put that on top. All right, so with that, let's jump on inside. Get this thing started. Again, it is just coming in. It's going to be a little dirty. Let's get this rolling. All right, sneak this in. Ooh, let's turn off that. Sorry, Bon Jovi. And sorry, Troy. All right, 94,174 or 114 on the odometer. Showed a couple of warning lights. That's kind of so this one over here is your seatbelt one. Make sure you wear your seatbelts. They do give tickets on or off base. And that one over there is your emergency brake. This one's a hand brake, so when you disengage it, it goes away. Engage it, comes right back on. Now, something right underneath that seatbelt one, that is a temperature gauge. Normally on a lot of cars, it's either blue or green. So this one is just gonna that's gonna light up if it's overheating, and it's gonna be red. So be on the lookout for that. It does not have the regular green or blue light there. Other than that, it's very simple, straightforward, straight ahead instrument cluster. Everything pops up on the dash while you're driving, especially if it's red. Please pull over immediately, find out what it is, take the necessary action. Off to the left on top of the dash here, you have a little compartment for storage. You have your radio, air conditioning controls, power outlet, and this funky cup holder. You have your shifter, another cup holder, a little tray here for whatever you need it for it. The handbrake, as I told you about, and another cup holder for your rear passenger. Above the glove box, you have this little shelf here, and then the glove box itself. And then a little bit of storage and cup holder on each door panel. That is your passenger space over there. You got your red road flare hanging out over there. And then this is the space I have on my side. The seat is all the way back, all the way down. I am 5'11", as everybody loves knowing. I'm pretty good right where I am. I could maybe slide it up an inch or two and still be comfortable driving. No armrest to talk about, but let's go to eye level. That's my eye level right there. Really can't see anything past the windshield wipers like on most vehicles. Way back. Now, I normally take this time to show you the auction sheet, showing you this is a non-accident vehicle from mainland Japan. Please keep that in mind. Graded non-accident from the auctions up in mainland. All these other dealers out here can't tell you that on other cars. We can for each one. But because it just came in, I keep those inside the office till it's been detailed. Once detailed, I'm going to put it up here on the sun visor on the driver's side so you can see that for yourself. We'll help you decipher it if need be. And there are dealers out here that'll try to discredit the auction sheet. Stop by, we'll explain why. All right, let's show you just a couple other things before we go to the back seat. Let me go over here. So over here, this is going to control the angle of your headlights. So maybe it's a foggy morning, you want to see the street a little better, that's where you're going to do it. You have your hood release down here. And please don't forget on the floor here, you have your gas cover release. Then on the door panel, you have your mirror, window, and door lock controls all right here. Let's turn this thing off and let's head to the back seat. So it is a little compact back here. All right, well, the seat all the way back, all the way down. I'm pretty much flush with it. I mean, this is kind of baggy, but I'm like a ½ inch away. But let's just say flush. Nothing as far as storage on the back of the driver's seat, but you have pocket storage on the back of the passenger seat. As always, be careful what you put in there. You don't want to rip it on each side. And then no cup holders or anything on the door panel, so your rear passenger will have to fight for that one right there. Okay. What is this? This feels like it's out. But I think this is out, so we'll have to look at that. Let's come to the back here. So here's your rear space. You do have this privacy cover that you can take out just by popping it up, and it'll come out. And then a little bit of storage and your spare tire underneath. Okay. And then if you need extra space, you're going to push on those levers, or on that lever. Now that seat's all the way back, so you're going to have to move the front seat up a little bit, but you'll have this whole space open up until the two front seats. Okay. Go to the front here, show you the engine compartment. I'm going to wrap this video up. Looks like it has some aftermarket wheels on there. Alrighty. Alright, there you go. 1.2 liter engine, which will be cleaned during the detailing process. And there you have it. 2008 Suzuki Splash. What did I say on the mileage? 94,000 kilometers, which again about 54,000 or 58,000 miles. Military price is on a 4,700. With additional military discount, we'll get it down to 4,500. Again, while you're here, please ask the information guy about on-the-lot discounts, and you will get a lower price on this. For now, the 4,500 will include a 2-year JCI, the 1-year bumper-to-bumper full warranty. The remainder of the 2024 road tax and the 10% sales tax is already included. Only thing on top will be the American insurance requirement. Whether you go liability or full coverage, which is totally up to you, and we can assist you with that here. Touching on these warranties real quick, yes, there are 2-year warranties out here. However, they're not the best things since sliced bread, so don't be fooled by them. Stop by, we'll explain why. But we do encourage you to shop around, go to the dealers, see what they have, check out the condition, mileage, and pricing of their vehicles. Then stop by Johnny's Used Cars, let us show what we have, what our program is all about, and how we're going to assist you. We are definitely making a difference out here because we are different. One of the many reasons why we did win the Stars and Stripes, Best of the Pacific magazines, Best Place to Buy a Car in Okinawa award for the 2nd consecutive year, and hoping for the 3rd. Again, results come out in a couple months. Don't forget, 2 ways to pay for this. US dollars cash outright, which could get you a larger discount, or take advantage of 0% finance for 24 months. Either way, we're good to go. Please like and subscribe, and as always, thank you very much for watching. Take care. Hope to see you soon.